Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best affordable 4K cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. For those people who like to go on adventures and want a sleek and compact 4K camera, this 4K action camera is the best option for you to choose if you are on a budget. It's a highly budget-friendly option to choose as it not only captures 4K footage but is also capable of taking high-quality pictures in 16MP photo resolution. The supported video recording options that you get on this camera are 4K/30 FPS, 2.7K/30 FPS, 1080p/60 FPS. Hence, you can choose the quality as well as the frame rates according to your likings. Moreover, it even offers you a zoom range of up to 4x if you need to take some close-up shots. In fact, at the back of the camera, you get a small 2-inch screen for preview, and you can even connect it with your smartphone as it also supports Wi-Fi. That said, the recorded footage from the camera can also be saved on the phone/tablet with app XDV. It's designed for ultimate adventures as you can even take it underwater, up to 100 feet deep, it won't fail to work. Apart from that, you get 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries with the camera, so you never miss out on recording any important moments. Number 2. Our second best pick is Panasonic 4K Digital Camera. In case you can't decide what type of camera would be best for you, a digital camera like this model camera is always the best option to go for, as you can easily learn using it and it comes in handy in almost all situations. It's basically a point-and-shoot camera which can take photos in 18.1MP quality from its renowned 60x zooms DC Vario lens that features optical image stabilization as well. To make it look and feel like a DSLR camera, Panasonic has also included a viewfinder on this camera that actually helps you take decent pictures with it. Otherwise, you can use the touch-enabled 3" LCD display to see the preview and take your shots perfectly. As far as the video quality is concerned, this camera shoots 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For videos with better frame rates, you will need to lower the resolution down to 1080. Apart from that, the camera also supports Wi-Fi, so you can transfer the videos and photos right to your mobile device on the go. In fact, it even comes with a micro USB and USB 2.0 port for additional connectivity. Number 3. Our third best pick is VTech 4K Digital Camera. Next, we have a pretty similar camera option from VTech, which manufactures affordable models with various amazing features. Looking at its design, it is a digital camera with a very compact footprint without any complications to carry it around. On top of that, the camera records 4K video at 30 frames per second, and captures photos at 48MP resolution with CMOS photosensor technology. Also, it features 16x digital zoom and takes high-quality pictures and AMP videos along with loop recording, video pause, self-timer, and continuous shooting. Moreover, the vlogging camera has a detachable 52mm wide-angle lens with a macro lens to use as per your requirements, wide horizons or tiny things, and take some highly creative shots using it. You can connect the camera directly to your PC with the help of an HDMI cable and use it as a webcam and play videos on the TV. Turn the fill light of the camera to use them in a dark environment. This photo camera has 2 1500 mAh lithium-ion batteries. However, most cameras cannot record while charging, yet this is not the case with this camera. As you can use them anytime irrespective of charging levels, plug into AC or power bank. Other than these, the pack includes 2 rechargeable 1500 mAh lithium-ion batteries and a microSD card as well. This easy-to-carry digital camera has a 3-inch touch screen and it is small and lightweight, which makes it suitable for outdoor activities like camping and tourism. This portable multifunctional camera has 3 continuous shooting, timed photo, video, and selfie. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is MIRWAPPing 4K video camera. This is one of the well-known brands that manufactures high-end 4K camcorders at an affordable price range. This camcorder features a 4K Ultra HD camera, 2880 by 2160, with 13 megapixels CMOS image sensor and supports up to 16x digital zoom, which makes it quite useful to record videos for YouTube. Since it captures photos up to 48MP resolution, 7920 by 5940, this camcorder will allow you to take some high-quality images. You can easily control and watch the previews with its 3-inch IPS touchscreen having 270-degree rotation. Its foldable handheld stabilizer holder will stabilize the 4K camera while recording and thus the best option to make moving low-angle images and videos. This 4K Wi-Fi camcorder will let do video shooting, remote view, and image capture, and you can connect them with iOS/Android phones via Roadcam app to share/transfer/browse the images/videos. Alternatively, it contains an IR sensor night vision, making it easily capture videos with perfect detailing even in the dark. Thus, you can go live on any platform by using this camcorder as a webcam, and its external microphone helps get clear audio. With its lens hood, the excess light will be blocked to protect the lens from any damage and to get perfect photos. The 4G wireless remote of this camera can let you get control over the digital camera within 60 feet in any direction. It supports various functions like slow motion, anti-shake, time-lapse, pause, auto power off, face capture, image stabilization, HDMI TV output, and others. When it comes to storage, you can use a Class 10 microSD card for up to 128 GB with this camera. Unfortunately, the microSD card is not included in the pack. But you will get a handheld stabilizer, remote control, USB cable, external microphone, camera bag, 2X batteries, lens hood, HDMI cable, charging adapter, microphone cable, and user manual. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is OIE-XI 4K digital vlogging camera. This brand provides one of the cheapest video camera options in the market. Hence, if you are not looking forward to spending much on a camera, but still want to record in 4K quality, this should be your go-to option. This 4K digital camera can shoot 4K videos at a decent 30 frames per second, with smooth and highly detailed quality. Not only that, it features a 48MP sensor that will provide you with highly detailed photos as well. Despite having cheap pricing, this camera has features like 16x zoom, motion detection, loop recording, continuous shooting, silent recording, and it can even record videos while charging. That said, if you own a YouTube channel, using this camera as a webcam can be a great use. Apart from that, the camera also comes with a wide-angle lens and macro lens that allows you to take amazing pictures of scenery and close-up shots, respectively. Along with the camera, you also get a polarizing filter for the lens that will help block off all the unnecessary reflections and help you take a good shot. Moreover, the camera also has a 3-inch IPS screen that flips out like a camcorder. In addition, you will get two 1500 mAh batteries with the camera. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.